Did you know that April is Citizen Science Month? Have you ever wanted to become a citizen scientist? Are you already a citizen scientist and want to find new projects to participate in? SciStarter.org is a wonderful website. Whether you are someone familiar with citizen science projects, or if you're someone completely new. On the homepage, if you scroll down, there is a What is Citizen Science section. Click on Learn More and scroll down to read up on what citizen science entails. Citizen science is a collaboration between scientists and those who are just curious and concerned and motivated to make a difference. People just like you can use their senses and mobile devices to observe and collect data. On the main page, you can find projects that are online or near you by keyword or topic. Since we are in spring still, I am going to click on the insects and pollinators. I'm going to find projects that are near me. After I click Find a Project, SciStarter will give me a list of projects near me that I can participate in. You can change the location on the left side. You can also narrow down your results by age group, certain project characteristics, like can be done online, and also projects to do while at night, on a lunch break, or you can pick one that has a developmental goal that aligns with your own. Scrolling down this first page of results, we see a lot of good projects, but I'm very interested in this bottom one, FireFly Watch. When I click on a project, I will come to its page. Here is a lot of information about the project, including how to join, where to get started, what its mission is, and who the project is for and how you can participate. I am going to want to learn more about this because I always love watching the fireflies when they come out in the summer. I'm going to click on this URL that's provided in the How to Participate or How to Get Started section. And here we go to Mass Audubon, where there is information on fireflies, how to submit data, how to participate, as well as the ability to browse the data that has been collected, and to learn more from the resources that they provide. This is a project that can be participated in outside, and then the data submitted online later. There's even a training video and an FAQ page. I really like this project, so I'm going to want to join in. So I have decided to make an account already with SciStarter. You can do so as well with basic information, and you can opt in and out of their newsletter. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and you'll see that the page will change a little bit since I'm logged in. It says I've joined the project, and now I can view it on my dashboard and visit the website. I gave it a like and added it to my list called Library Programs. I can go to the top, click on Dashboard, and click on Main Dashboard to see the projects that I have joined or I'm interested in. Another project I have joined is Stall Catchers. Stall Catchers is a project that can be participated on online. This is a project to help researchers who are looking into Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's researchers believe that Alzheimer's can be caused by what are known as stalls, or clogged blood vessels in the brain. Stall Catchers allows for citizen scientists to look at videos of blood flow through the brain of mice and identify stalls. There's more information on the main site where you can learn about Alzheimer's and how this research helps. I've already created my account, and here is what your stall catcher experience will look like. When you get started, there's a very helpful tutorial that walks you through what you're seeing on the screen and how you identify a stall or a flowing blood vessel. I won't take you through all of it, and I'll allow you to learn this on your own. We're going to get into some examples. I click play and I look at the blood vessel in the circled area. I'm pausing because I saw that as the blood was flowing through a blood vessel, there was a dark spot that was not moving. This is a stall. I'm going to click stalled, and then it wants me to click on the blood vessel where I see the stall. And it looks like other stall catchers have found that this is in fact a stalled blood vessel. This has been confirmed by an expert in the first box below. This next example is an example of a flowing blood vessel. Since they're on our stalls, I will hit flowing. You can participate in this for as long as you'd like, and you can change the team that you're on. And if you want, your participation in it can be dedicated to a loved one in your life. So get started with SciStarter.org today. At the top, you'll find a training tab. The training tab will take you through how to use the website and has some more information on the foundations of citizen science. Educators and librarians might also find this training helpful. SciStarter is a great way to get started with citizen scientists. If you would like to learn more, here are 2 books from the library: The Field Guide to Citizen Science by members of the SciStarter team, as well as Citizen Science by Caren B. Cooper. These are available through the York County Library. We hope that you get started with citizen science today.